everybody, Lois from legalshield.com. We are here at the wall of why. What is your why? Like, why do you want to generate income? We're with Legal Shield, so we are generating income through that is one of our sources. And here's someone's answer. They said to be a servant and lead others. Here's one. This is the changing generational curses and breaking down barriers. So everybody wrote all their why they're doing this business. This lady's saying to create a legacy for my daughters. This one to impact the financial situation of the family. So those ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Come visit ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Will help you make extra income.